School job interview. Interviewer. Good morning. What position are you applying for? Me. Good morning. I am applying for the position of school librarian. Interviewer. Why do you want this job? Me. I want this job because I like helping students and organizing books. Interviewer. What are your skills? Me. I am good at organizing materials, helping people, and keeping things in order. Interviewer. What are your strengths? Me. I am good at working with students, finding information, and solving problems. Interviewer. How can you help the school? Me. I can help the school by organizing the library, assisting students, and creating a quiet place for reading. Interviewer. Interviewer. Thanks. Thank you for your time. Me. Thank you. Have a nice day.